Good morning, Alan Schimmel of DevOps.com here with day 2 of the DevOps Enterprise Summit 2015. And we're joined by Greg Maxey of Electric Cloud. Greg will be speaking in a little bit about some of the work he's done, and we're going to get a preview right now. Good morning, Greg.
Good morning, Alan.
Why don't you tell our watchers, viewers, what it is you'll be speaking about here today at the
So I'll be
Summit.
talking about a new feature within the Electric Flow, so specifically the DSL, so that is a domain-specific language that's available for authoring in Electric Flow. And I'll be talking about how it can be used for process as source code. So you're able to write your automation automating the automation with source code.
Excellent, excellent. And is this something you're working on full-time?
Yeah, so I'm a solution engineer at Electric Cloud, and so my job is to engage with customers and prospects and talk about how our technology can be applied to their software delivery problems, and specifically how automation can be brought to bear to solve those problems. And so I spend a lot of time implementing these automations within customer environments and doing proofs of concepts and demo development. So I spend a lot of time with our technology, authoring and demonstrating and the like, and since we've recently introduced this DSL, I've been using it a lot, and I found it to be very helpful in my day-to-day activities.
Fantastic. And Greg, you were here yesterday for the first day of the summit.
I was.
What were your impressions of DOES 2015?
Well, it was wow. Amazing how many people are here. So I've been participating in these summits for a number of years, when they started out as user conferences for Electric Cloud, and it's pretty amazing how they've grown since we've gotten together with IT Revolution.
Yes.
And it's interesting to be surrounded by 1,000 people who are kind of like-minded, thinking about the same type of problems, and are in various stages of the trip, and getting there.
Absolutely. And any trends you're seeing, or any kind of consistent buzz that you're hearing from people?
Well, definitely the terminology DevOps is being spoken and introduced earlier in conversations than it was. So I've been in Electric Cloud for now almost 5 years, and up until a couple of years ago, no one was bringing up DevOps. We were having to introduce the topic. Now, indeed, some of my prospects and customers actually have people that have the title DevOps.
Oh, sure. Yeah.
And in their
It's a big change.
A big change,
It certainly
indeed.
is. And so you've seen changes in just 5 years. What about, put on your crystal ball, no, put it on, but look into your crystal ball. And 5 years from now, what do you think it looks like, Greg?
To be quite honest, I'm not quite sure where it's going to go. I think the containerization is going to play a big part of it, but I can't quite get a handle or my head around how that's going to pan out. Definitely lots of people are interested in it, but it's almost like what virtualization was, I don't know, five, 6 years ago, kind of dabbling in it. People are using it. I see it used for kind of the build side of it, throwaway build environments. But will it be used in production? I haven't seen that yet.
Excellent. Well, Greg, good luck on your talk today, your session, and I'm sure by the time this is out, we will have it videotaped as well out on the webs, and continued success with your work with Electric Cloud and some of the breakthroughs you guys are making there.
Okay.
And thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Alan. It's been a pleasure.
This is Alan Schimmel for DevOps.com at DOES 2015.